brown rice and roast tomato salad. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Cut 4 large tomatoes in quarters. Place the tomatoes on a lined baking tray. Sprinkle the tomatoes with salt and pepper. Place the tomatoes into the oven and roast for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, finely dice 1 red onion. Finely dice 1 cucumber. Finely slice 2 garlic cloves. Cut half a cup of Kalamata olives in half. Grate the zest of 1 lemon. Juice 1 lemon. Chop 1 handful of fresh mint and chop 1 handful of fresh parsley. Cut the kernels off 1 cob of corn. Remove the tomatoes from the oven. Place all ingredients into a large bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix well and serve.